Sunday, 1st of September 2024. Spent most of the day in the hotel room. The room had no opening windows. Feels weird to not have fresh air moving through. Did some painting of Grandma's house. Didn't get anywhere near as much as I'd hoped to painted. I wanted to make some 2-ingredient banana biscuits that I saw a video of on Instagram. The hotel room didn't have any racks in the oven or any baking trays. I got a tray from Coles and bent some forks to serve as an oven rack. I was very pleased that this worked. The biscuits were good. I will definitely make them again. Went for a walk at Albert Park late in the afternoon again, and again finished one of the books I got the other day. This one was also very good. Did some laundry at the hotel room, packed everything, ready to make tracks in the morning. Mood 7, energy 6, moods content, grateful, baking banana biscuits.